Ever since, wala siyang sinabi sa akin na ganyan. Even when I ran for Vice President, ma'am, wala naman talaga siya sinabi. Sinabi lang niya, hindi na ako sasali dyan. At kayo nang mag-desisyon yan. Yan lang yung sinabi niya when he was told by one of my siblings that I'm running for Vice President. And wala.
That's good to know. Thank you.
VP?
I don't remember PRD na naninisi?
Naninisi.
Wala.
Never. Kasi I always remember him. I don't know, Kit, with you, but I always remember him when I was growing up. He would always say, you make your own history in this world. So you always answer to your decisions. So I think that is his philosophy as well. So he doesn't blame anyone with what happened. He always says, I did it for my country.
Yes.
He always says,
Repeatedly.
I did it for my country.
The two boys po, are they coming?
The Paulo and Baste, no? We're talking about Paulo and Baste.
So, there are plans naman. We arrange this pag-aalis yung isa, may dadating na naman na isa. So, as of now, we are arranging all the dates since most of them are busy with the
Campaign.